And now, ladies and gentlemen, we come on to lot number 7, the marvellous Botticelli, shown on my right, the Virgin and Child with a landscape beyond, from the distinguished private collection it's been in for so many years. And we start the bidding here at £2 million. At £2 million for this. £2 million for the Botticelli. At £2 million. At £2 million. At £2 million. £2,100,000. At £2,100,000 now. At £2,000,001. £2,100,000. £2,002,000. £2,200,000 is bid. At £2,002,000. £2,003,000. £2,003,000 is bid. At £2,300,000. £2,004,000. £2,005,000. £2,005,000 is bid. £2,006,000 now. £2,006,000 is bid. £2,007,000. £2,007,000 I have. £2,008,000. £2,008,000 I'm bid. £2,850,000 with Alex Bell at £2,850,000. £2,850,000. Next bid is £2,009,000. £2,850,000 it is on my right at £2,850,000. The bid is with Alex Bell at £2,850,000. Any more then? At £2,850,000, fair warning, selling now at £2,850,000. Paddle number 64, thank you, Alex. Thank you very much.